guess who is back? Yeah. Guess who is back? It's me. Yes, me. I know. It's been a while I posted here, but what? Your boy is officially back on YouTube. Trust me, I've got a lot of things in stock for you. I've got gists, vlog, oh my god, name it, tutorial, tips, YouTube. Calm down. Calm down. I'm with you. I'm back already. Don't worry. I'm back. I know you'd have been like, where have I been now? Where did I go? Honestly, I need to take a little break. Yes, I took a little break. Well, because YouTube is exhausting. It's draining. It's tiring. Especially if you have not monetized and not getting paid yet. It's so tiring. Like, you need to rest. I took a little break so I could reset, rethink, and refocus. But one thing I realized in my break was that I absolutely love making videos. Because if you are my friend, like you have seen me and you walking, any small thing, I don't open my Snapchat, I don't do record. You know my Snapchat is full of memories, like places I've been, who I've met, my kai. My Snapchat, like, I just did video, any small I don't video. Man, well, and I miss creating video like this, like talking to the camera, like somebody's inside the camera that is listening, or somebody's behind the camera that is watching me. Yes, but there's someone true. Yes, I know that I'll not see you, but you are there. Thank you for always being there for me, and thank you for always watching my video. I really appreciate you all so much. Yes, and what? Thank you for my amazing subscriber. I miss you all. I miss you a lot too. During my break, I learned a few things, and I'm coming back with fresh energy, fresh idea, and more content that you will love. And this time around, I'm even going harder. More videos, better content, and maybe a few surprises along the way, and maybe even a vlog. Yeah. And let me I know maybe all my memories. Vlog marks of all my memories. Don't worry, calm down. Yeah. So if you have been rocking with me, or if you have been with me since day one, thank you so much. What does it? Thank you very much. I have to rub red with lips to show you that is a sign of love, that I love. So thank you very much. And if you are new here, like this is the first video that YouTube is suggesting to you, welcome to the family of Bolu Vibes. Yes, and do what to hit that subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, and like this video, because it's about to be a very wild ride, like a crazy one. It's speeding through. Can you hear me? So, drop a comment below. Let me know what kind of content do you want to see next. Is it tutorial? Is it vlog? Is it something fun? Is it my personal experience? Hey, and I'm even coming up with something special. I'm listening and I'm waiting for you. Drop the comment. Yeah. And I want to say happy Ramadan, like Ramadan Kareem to all Muslims. May Allah accept your fasting and prayer. Amen, Allah. And to the Christian, may God accept your fasting and prayer, because this is also fasting season. So may God accept each and every one of us fasting and prayer in the name of Jesus and in Allah's name. But so I am fully back and I'm not going anywhere. So let's get to work and what? See you in my next video. I am fully Vibes. Bye bye. Maybe you can look it up.